Sick of having the same boring breakfast every day? If you are a diabetic, it feels like your options are limited. But there is some good news. You can really have 7 delicious and diabetic-friendly breakfasts, one for each day of the week, without increasing your blood sugar level. And if you hang in there to the end, I am going to share a bonus breakfast tip with you that stabilizes your blood sugar for the rest of the day. So let's get started. We're doing a day at a time, and I'll show you what to eat, how it'll work, and how to make it taste great and blood sugar friendly. Day 1. Oats and chia seed porridge. Start the week with a bowl of oatmeal made in unsweetened almond milk. Add a spoon of chia seeds. Top with some cinnamon and a handful of berries. The fiber in oats and chia slows down the absorption of glucose and keeps you full for a longer period. Day 2. Nuts, berries, and nuts. From Greek yogurt. Add just a handful of almonds and blueberries on top. It is full of protein and good fats, which stabilizes your blood sugar level, and the berries tickle your sweet tooth automatically. Day 3. Veggie omelet with whole grain toast. Beat 2 eggs and add chopped onions, bell peppers, and spinach. Scramble it into a fluff omelet and serve with 1 slice of whole grain bread. The high-fiber, high-protein breakfast does not allow post-breakfast crashes. Day 4. Avocado on multigrain bread. Mash a half an avocado on toasted multigrain bread. Squeeze a little lemon juice over it and sprinkle with black pepper and some flax seeds. The healthy fat and fiber make it an easy but efficient choice for long-lasting energy. Avocado's healthy fats delay the digestion rate and control the release of sugar into your bloodstream. Day 5. Cucumber and tomatoes with cottage cheese. Mix low-fat cottage cheese with freshly chopped cucumber and tomatoes and sprinkle a pinch of salt and herbs as spices. This cold, low-carb snack is packed with protein and makes you feel light but satisfied. Day 6. Moong dal chilla or lentil pancakes. Soak and grind moong dal with some spice. Thin it on a hot pan and serve with mint chutney. These protein pancakes are fiber-rich and have a natural low glycemic index, so they're a good choice for blood sugar control. 7. Banana, spinach, and peanut butter smoothie bowl. Blend a small banana, fresh spinach, unsweetened almond milk, and a spoon of natural peanut butter together. Serve it in a bowl topped with a mixture of nuts and seeds. This bowl gives you fiber, protein, and fat in one delicious serving. Now, let us briefly summarize the 7 diabetic-friendly breakfasts. Oats and chia seed porridge. Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Veggie omelet with whole grain toast. Avocado on multigrain bread. Cottage cheese with cucumber and tomatoes. Moong dal chilla, and finally the spinach, banana, and peanut butter smoothie bowl. That is 1 week of variety, 7 tasty breakfasts to fuel you without the sugar highs. So which do you want to make first? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like it, share it with a person who may benefit from it, and subscribe to Food Humani for more healthy food ideas every week. Thank you for watching and remain healthy.